Hello, everyone. In this video, we will learn the topic must.
You can see the topics on the screen, and we will explain them step by step.
Yes, we will talk about how to use must in real-life English.
Please watch the video until the end so you don't miss anything important.
If you are ready, let's begin learning together.
Yes, must shows strong obligation. It means there is no choice sometimes. It is stronger than should.
For example, I must wake up early for work. I must be on time every day. It is very important.
I understand. I must finish my homework tonight. I also must prepare for my test tomorrow.
We use must for rules too. You must wear a seat belt in the car. It is a safety rule.
At school, students must listen to the teacher. They must follow classroom rules. It keeps order.
We can also say must not or mustn't. It means something is not allowed.
For example, you must not smoke here. You must not use your phone in the exam. These are strict rules.
So remember, must means very important or necessary. It shows strong obligation.
Try making your own sentence with must. Practice every day to remember it better.
Part 2. Must versus have to. Difference. Now let's talk about must and have to. They are similar, but not exactly the same.
Yes, both mean something is necessary, but we use them in different situations.
We often use must for personal feelings or strong opinions. For example, I must eat healthier. I think it is important for me.
I see. So it is your personal decision. Like me, I must exercise more because I want to be fit.
Exactly. But we use have to for outside rules or situations. For example, I have to wear a uniform at work. It is the company rule.
That makes sense. I have to wake up early because my job starts at 8 a.m. It is my schedule, not my choice.
So remember, must equals personal importance. Have to equals outside rule or situation.
Both mean something is necessary, but the reason is different. That is the key idea.
Try making one sentence with must and one with have to. It will help you understand better.
Yes, practice is very important. Keep learning and keep speaking English.
Part 3. Mustn't versus don't have to. Important difference. Now let's learn the difference between mustn't and don't have to. They are very different, so be careful.
Yes, many learners confuse them, but the meaning is not the same.
Mustn't means something is not allowed. It is a strong rule or prohibition.
For example, you mustn't smoke in the hospital. You mustn't park here. It is forbidden.
Exactly. But don't have to mean something is not necessary. You can do it, but it is optional.
For example, I don't have to wake up early tomorrow. It is my day off.
Or students don't have to bring books today. The teacher said it is not needed.
So remember, mustn't equals forbidden. Don't have to equals not necessary.
This difference is very important in daily English. It changes the meaning completely.
Try making your own examples. Practice helps you remember faster.
Part 4. Using must in real-life situations. Let's talk about real-life situations with must. We use it every day for important things.
Yes, especially for health and safety. These are common situations.
For example, when you are very tired, you must rest. Your body needs sleep to stay healthy.
That's true. When you drive a car, you must follow traffic rules. Safety is very important.
At the airport, passengers must show their passports. It is a strict rule.
In a library, people must be quiet. Others need silence to read and study.
Parents often say children must brush their teeth every day. It is good for health.
At work, employees must arrive on time. Being late can cause problems.
Part 5. Review and practice with must. Let's review what we learned about must. We use must for strong rules and important obligations.
Yes, and we use mustn't when something is not allowed. It means a strong prohibition.
We also learned that must can show personal importance. For example, I must drink more water every day.
And have to is different because it comes from outside rules. For example, I have to follow company rules at work.
Don't forget, don't have to means not necessary, but mustn't means forbidden.
That difference is very important in real-life English. It changes the meaning completely.
Try to make 3 sentences today using must. Practice helps you remember better.
Yes, speaking and repeating will make your English stronger every day.
Part 6. Final, Summary and Closing. Today we learned how to use must in English. We talked about rules, strong obligations, and important responsibilities in daily life.
Yes, and we also learned the difference between must, have to, mustn't, and don't have to. These small grammar differences help you speak more clearly and correctly in real situations.
Remember, must is often used for strong personal importance or strict rules. It helps you express what is really necessary.
And mustn't means something is not allowed at all, but don't have to means something is optional. That difference is very important to remember.
Try to use must in your daily life. Think about your routine. What must you do every day? Say your sentences out loud.
Speaking out loud helps your brain and your mouth work together. Even simple practice every day can make a big difference. Learning English takes time, but step by step you will improve. Just stay consistent and keep practicing.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. We hope this lesson helped you understand must clearly and confidently.
If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy English podcast lessons.
Also, write 1 sentence using must in the comments. We love reading your examples and seeing your progress.
And share this lesson with a friend who is learning English too. Learning together is more fun and motivating.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking English every single day. Small steps bring big progress.
We are happy to learn English with you. Thank you for being here with us.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care, stay motivated, and keep learning. Goodbye, everyone.